Hello, good evening to you all. Today we'll see how we can add second device to your Google Home. See here, this is my home app on my mobile, and if you observe, this phone is already connected to my TV. I'll show you. This is the TV. Okay, and now if I want to connect secondary phone, another phone or another device, see here. See, this is the second phone, and on this, if I click on the Google Home here, okay, Google Home, when I want to control my TV with this phone, it is saying like request invite to home. So I need to tap on request and I need to click on send request on the second phone. See, this is not showing properly. Okay, send request. When I click on send request, I need to confirm send request. Yeah, then immediately on my primary phone, see here, I'll get the request, and from here I need to accept the person. I need to accept the click on the mail and click on continue, next, next, next. Then device access. This is my TV name. I see, as I send the invitation, the other mobile which you want to access the TV gets a notification on the home app. You need to accept that invitation, then you can handle your TV with that secondary device. See here, on the other mobile, when I open Gmail, the invitation is in the Gmail. So I open the Gmail and click on view invitation. It is saying that the invitation no longer available, so I need to check for the new email. Okay, accept invitation button is there. This is the accept invitation. Okay, I need to tap on this accept invitation. Once the invitation is accepted by the other mobile, so it is asking to verify the mobile email. I need to click on next. I need to enter the password. Once the password is entered, I can now access from this mobile, the other mobile, successfully with the TV. See here, once you enter the password, you will see an invitation something like the other person has invited to join his family on the Google. So I need to click on get started. Yeah, join family. So welcome to the family. So now in this family there is a TV device. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just close this. I'll open Google Home. On the devices, now this is the TV what I want to control.